What's up, guys? You know what time it is. It's time to give away a knife. Not just any knife either. This is the brand new Finch Cimarron, courtesy of Finch Knife Co. Now, this thing is excellent and makes a great EDC. But I want to start off by sending a huge thanks and shout out to Spencer from Finch Knives. He actually sent this over to give away to one of you lucky subscribers, and I couldn't be more thankful. I actually have the black one that I've been carrying all week, and man, is this an excellent knife. I absolutely love how it closes off into the handle, and I mean, the winner will see once he gets it. It's an awesome knife. I honestly wish I could give one to every one of you guys, but, that would be pretty expensive, right? The thing is, I wish I could hand deliver one to every one of you because you've all been completely awesome. Again, thanks to Spencer at Finch Knife for sending this guy out, and thanks to all of you guys so far. You guys are awesome. Now, I'm about to be monetized here soon. I have not figured out what I'm going to do once I get there, but it's coming up really, really soon. But without wasting anybody else's time, I have the winner's name wrote down right here, and drum roll. The winner of the Finch Cimarron is Big Sean 247. Big Sean, congratulations, brother. This bad boy is yours. I've wanted to carry it so bad all week, but, I knew I had to give it away. So, this one's yours. Anyway, I want to thank everybody for participating so far. I will be having another giveaway really, really soon. And also, I want to apologize. My camera might be a little bit dark right now. I'm actually down a light, and I kind of had to record this video in the dark. But anyway, Big Sean, hit me up. I will put my email address in the description. Thanks again, everybody. See you on the next one.